Welcome to the Design and Technology Sixth Form virtual presentation at Heybridge. Here you will find information about the course offerings and everything you need to know about DT here at Heybridge. Firstly, my name is Stephen Parry and I'm proud to be head of this fantastic department. We have two course offerings which are very different but also complement each other, along with many other different subjects. A-level product design and BTEC engineering, which is equivalent of an A-level, both involve studying from different perspectives the design, development, manufacture of products. In product design, the emphasis is on creativity and its application to commercial product development, whereas in BTEC engineering, the focus is towards the systems that underpin the manufacture of the products, for example, industrial technologies and mathematics. If you decide to opt for both subjects or just one, you will find that high-level academic work is combined with practical activity, which is a unique and rewarding combination at this level. So here are the DT department. We have a group of professionals who are passionate about product design and engineering. They have years of experience in teaching and also in industry. They are able to deliver projects in a fun yet safe and interactive way, which give you the opportunity to improve your capability and also to achieve success. We have Mr. Ashen, Mr. Merrick, Mr. Whitehead and our specialist technician, Mr. Graham Good. Here is a photo tour of the department. We have 5 individual multifunctional DT workshops. The one on the left hand side is, you can see it has desks, computers, different machinery, whereas the one on the right hand side of the page is a specific engineering workshop mainly for metalwork. The middle one on the top row is the gallery where many of the products are featured, and hopefully yours will be there one day as well. On the second row we have another multifunctional room. It has many computers in, where we have the latest equipment and software. We also have 3D printers and laser cutters also featured on that middle row. And on the bottom row, we've just got a selection of the machines, Hegnosaws, bench drills, disc sanders. So, the course overview for product design, it's split into 3. There are 2 examinations, the top 2 boxes, and there is also a coursework element which is a total 50% of the final grade. This is undertaken at year 13 and is probably very similar to a piece of coursework that you've done at GCSE, where it's a large project. It looks at the context, you then go on to design, prototype and a final practical, and again an evaluation throughout, and also of that final practical at the end. The exams, the first one is a principles paper, and this is a knowledge-based paper and application of knowledge, very similar to a GCSE exam. The second one utilises the knowledge and skill and understanding of the principle paper. However, you answer problem-solving tasks, and it's normally based on a set theme where you read a booklet and you actually ask questions from within that booklet. Right, Year 12 is based on Bauhaus principles of good design. Each activity focuses on developing a range of design-related skills. The model on the left-hand side explains this by identifying the key elements of the course. To become a competent A-level product designer, you will practice at the top drawing and design, prototyping, CAD/CAM, manufacture, and all this is underpinned by theory work, research, analysis and evaluation. On the right-hand side of the page are NEA exemplar work. You can see on the middle one is a context page, and it looks at the feasibility of different projects. We're then moving on to the design and development page. It features modelling in many different forms. You've got sketches, you have virtual modelling, which are mock-ups on CAD, and then you have prototyping, real-life, high-end quality models. Finally, we've got an example of a final product and a marketing page. One of the best things about this course, it allows such a wide range of student response. So the student picks the context, and you have a client, and we encourage the student to go back to the client and interact to come up with a project of the student's choice. Right, moving on to BTEC Engineering. This is a level 3 extended certificate, and it's the equivalent of an A-level. The major difference between engineering and product design, or one of the differences, is the assessment. Whereas product design, the exams are at the end of the course, apart from the Year 13 extended course, which runs over Year 13. Engineering features 4 different units throughout Year 12 and 13. So I'm going to take you through the units. The first one, Unit 1, Engineering Principles. Learners apply mathematical and physical science principles to solve electrical, electronic and mechanical based engineering problems. So really it's the application of mathematics from an engineer's point of view, and the level of maths is around GCSE level. Unit 2 combines product analysis, engineering drawings and manufacture of a batch produced product using a teamwork as a focus. As you can see, processes are undertaken by the team to create and they're engineered products in a safe environment. Unit 44, Fabrication Manufacturing Processes. Learners explore and carry out fabrication processes to safely manufacture products from sheet metal. And at the bottom of the page you have an example of a barbecue that's being manufactured. Unit 3, the final unit, Engineering, Product Design and Manufacture. This is an exam which pulls together all the units. It's based on a theme given beforehand. Obviously the key advantage of this is that students can prepare thoroughly beforehand. So learners will explore engineering, product design and manufacturing processes, which will complete activities that consider function, sustainability, materials, form and other factors. And we have an example just to the right of a response there. So extracurricular opportunities in the DT department. Before COVID last year, during Year 12, the A-level product designer groups enjoyed a trip to IKEA, which was part of a product analysis exercise. Meanwhile, engineering groups have visited in the past companies such as JCB, Jaguar Land Rover. All of these have given useful insights into potential future careers. We always encourage our students as well to obtain useful work experience and to undertake extracurricular extension tasks as part of each project. So where can DT take you? Product design combines well with so many different other A-levels, such as maths and physics, or a more creative route, art and media. And this allows for progression to universities to study architecture, fashion, product design, graphics, automotive, furniture, jewellery, electronics, interior design, or potentially a teacher. Engineering students, again, they've gone on to engineering apprenticeships or operatives, or again, depending on the combination of subject, onto university courses. Well, I hope this presentation has been useful. All of the Haybridge evening resources, if you want extra information about the courses, are available through the school website. I really hope that you decide to choose one of the subjects. They are a fantastic option. I'm sure that you will be successful and also enjoy your course and go on to a great future career. So I look forward to seeing you hopefully in September. Thank you.